We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the MEGOO LED Mask with Bluetooth programmable app. A shining LED light-up face mask designed for adults and kids, perfect for Halloween, masquerade parties, concerts, and other events. This mask has become popular for its unique ability to display customizable LED images controlled via a smartphone app, making it a standout gadget for those looking to make a bold statement. The mask is unisex and lightweight, designed to fit comfortably with an adjustable Velcro head strap, though some users have noted discomfort on the bridge of the nose, which can be alleviated with simple padding like a Band-Aid. The mask also allows wearing a surgical mask underneath without issue, which is a practical feature in current times. The MEGOO LED mask comes preloaded with a large selection of animated and static LED faces, and users can upload their own custom images through the accompanying Bluetooth app. The app interface is generally straightforward and easy to navigate, though it has a slight learning curve. One common issue reported is occasional disconnection between the mask and the app, which does not affect the image currently displayed but requires a mask restart to change images after reconnection. Another minor inconvenience is that some uploaded images may fail to display randomly at startup, but re-uploading the problematic images resolves this quickly. Gesture mode, which allows changing faces by movement, can be disabled but not always reliably through the app, so turning it off directly on the mask is recommended. Battery life is one of the mask's strong points, with reports of lasting up to 9 hours on a full charge when displaying still images without flashing or text. However, charging time is relatively long, taking close to 4 hours even with fast chargers. Importantly, the mask cannot be used while charging, which limits continuous use during extended events. Users who tried charging with portable battery packs found it ineffective to keep the mask on while charging. The mask uses a rechargeable battery, and there is also a battery-operated version that uses 3 AA batteries, which some users prefer for convenience and backup power. In terms of build quality, the mask is lightweight and has rubber padding around the eye area, though visibility through the small eye slits is limited and peripheral vision is non-existent. This makes the mask less suitable for long periods of wear if clear sight is needed, but it works well as a masquerade mask or for short-term use at parties and concerts. The LED display is bright and clear, with no reported issues of image burn or dead pixels even after extensive use. The graphics are vibrant, and the ability to cycle through different faces either via the app or button on the mask adds to its versatility. Comfort-wise, the mask can cause pressure on the nose bridge, but this is easily managed with padding. The adjustable strap helps achieve a secure fit for different head sizes. Some users have noted that the mask is not ideal for long wear due to comfort and visibility constraints, but it excels as a fun, eye-catching accessory for events. Customer service from the MEGOO brand has been positively noted, with the company reaching out to ensure customer satisfaction and providing easy return options, such as drop-off at Kohl's stores. Some early buyers received defective units but found the replacement masks to work flawlessly, highlighting the importance of good after-sales support. Overall, the MEGOO LED Mask is a unique and fun gadget that delivers on its promise of customizable LED face displays controlled by a Bluetooth app. It is ideal for those who want to stand out at parties, concerts, or Halloween events. While it has minor drawbacks such as charging time, app connectivity quirks, and limited comfort for extended wear, these are outweighed by its impressive battery life, vibrant display, and ease of use. If you own this mask, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for viewers interested in purchasing. This mask is definitely a cool and innovative addition to your costume or party gear collection.